Hey guys, this video is a follow-up from my previous video where I was talking about the course MSc CDA program at St. Mary's University, Halifax. So if you haven't watched that complete video, I have attached that video in the description. Do watch that and then come to this one. So this video is going to talk about the details of the first half of the course. The first half of the course is 8 months, which is divided into 4 and 4. Now here you have 4 courses that are done in the first semester and 4 which are done in the second part. So there are 8 courses in total. Many students ask me, are these electives? No, these courses are not electives. It's mandatory for you to do all these courses and it's given by the requirement from the MSc CDA program. The first part of the course is mostly focused on in-classroom training and learning, where academic professors come in and deliver their lectures. This is followed up by tutorials. So whatever you have learned in the lectures, there is a hands-on training session to make sure that you understand everything practically. Now following up that, the course is graded on basis of either projects and assignments. Now, this can be either in team or it can be individual. What do you gain from this? Well, you learn a lot of team skills. So you work with the people which are from different parts of the world. In this way, you make sure that you are working with people who are not only from your country, but at the same time, they carry different skill sets. This helps you, or it strengthens up your skill when you go to the job market tomorrow. At the same time, these assignments have to be delivered in strict deadlines. Well, if you have any things in particular, they can be flexible, but at the same time, this thing helps you gain confidence in your time management skills. You manage your time pretty nice, and then tomorrow when you step into the job market, you are much more confident. So many people ask me one question in particular. Kannagi, how do the program make sure that everything is basically meeting the industry standards? We have industry professors that come in and teach. These industrial people make sure to deliver their lectures in a way where they are touching each and every important aspect of the technology they are using in their respective companies. So when tomorrow you step out, you already know about these things, and because you had enough exposure in the coursework. Well, this was my personal experience on how I felt taking up the courses in the first half of the program. I'll be making another detailed video about the second half, so make sure you watch that too. Till then, bye-bye.